beside my own reflection. It's haunting how I can't seem to find myself again. My walls are closing in.
Not a sense of confidence. I'm convinced that there's just too much pressure to take.
I felt this way before, so insecure.
Sometimes you can't see because of tint, correct? But you know there's at least one person driving the vehicle, so there's at least one, okay? A lot of times if you see more than one, you want to call it out, because a lot of times, a lot of these guys out here nowadays, they're going to start heading your way once they hear you got 5 or 6 people. Okay?
Tell her what you wanted to do, don't just kick her in the leg.